mga ka-abroad. I'm here cooking breakfast and Vern made a pancake. He called me and said, Lorna, can you flip this?
Flip the pancakes.
Hindi ko binili mga ka-abroad yung wallet kahapon na mamahalan ako. $50. Bali nang wala akong coach na wallet basta may pera akong kaunti. Kasi kung may wallet nga akong maganda, tapos wala namang laman, hindi ganun din, di ba? Hindi rin maganda sa pakiramdam. Saka hindi ako mahilig sa sa mga branded. Masaya na ako kahit dun sa sa mga simpleng simpleng gamit. Kasi ang iniisip ko kasi pag ninakaw, iyak tawa ka kasi mahal, di ba? Ganun ako mag-isip mga ka-abroad. Ayokong kasi pag mahal, pag yan, pag-iisipan niya ng hindi maganda ng mga tao na nakawin, di ba? Ayoko nang ganun.
A few inches later.
Me and Dave will still eat some cereal though.
Oh my God! What did I told you?
I said me and Dave.
No!
You know he likes cereal.
In the Philippines, the cereal is expensive compared here.
Aren't we worth it?
Oh. No, don't give me that face. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Thank you, Mala, for cooking. Kain muna kami. Nakalimutan ni Ben yung sausage. Nandun sa rep. Tapos ang nilabas niya yung manok. O, di ba? Akala niya yung sausage. So, it's not a sausage, it's chicken. So, ayan. Hiniinit niya sa
done. I'm gonna bring in the sausage.
Okay.
3 hours
Hulaan
later.
nyo kung ano to. Pag nahulaan nyo, may tama kayo. Siyempre, halangan na akong nahulaan na mali pa, diba? Well, ito ay wala tayong supply. Mamaya pupuntahan kaming party. Kaya, inaasikaso ko na to kasi bukas, rat-ratan na naman yan. Alam nyo na ang buhay ko, diba? Rat-ratan. Ito yung pork na ihalo ko dun sa gizzard. I-adobo ko lang siya. Tapos baka lagyan ko rin ng cucumber. Nilagyan ko lang ng onion. Then I'm going to put salt and pepper. Yun ang mga ka-abroad. I'm glad that I bought this. Kasi hindi na ako na-hatching. It's hard. And then I'm going to put olive oil, ground ginger, crushed red pepper, oregano, cayenne, vinegar, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of sugar to balance. Yan lang. So, to? Gizzard at saka pork.
2 hours later.
Hello po mga ka-abroad. Init mga ka-abroad. And turn on the AC.
Aircon. Aren't you glad I told you to bring this water?
And Vern is like, why you don't have to bring water? You don't have to.
I'm not going to be in the car that long.
And now
That's what she said, Manga Cabrón.
You gotta say it right, my love. It's not good.
I'm the one that said it.
See?
I admit it.
I always bring water just in case. Especially in this weather. It's hot. You get so thirsty. And we have this. And Vern is finishing this up.
Tell him what kind.
Ito si Vern maarte ito. He wants, what do you call this? Spring water. Diba?
Manga Cabrón. I'm practicing. I'm going to do karaoke today.
Careful, somebody's crossing, my love.
I see them, my love.
We'll see you through. Mga ka-abroad, tomorrow we'll be celebrating 200, how many malap?
246 years
of America.
America's birthday.
July 4th tomorrow.
And guess what, America? You don't look a day over 245.
I thought you gotta say something important.
It was funny though.
We love America! Right, my love?
Happy birthday, America!
A few moments later.
Andito na kami mga ka-abroad. Thank God.
You know
At, ito naman kami.
you know
hindi ka na-
Miko's going to be jumping on you.
I know. I hope you don't scratch my leg. Because every time he saw us, he's like excited.
So he usually has something in his mouth, like he wants to give her a present or something. You'll see.
And it's like, oh, dog or animal that they're excited to see you and
Why wouldn't they be excited? I'm excited to see you all the time. See?
oh.
See?
Kasi ka na.
Come on. Fruits.
Fruits. Mainit. Ganda oh. Hala.
Hey, what's up?
Ala, si Nico! Te, si Nico! Ay! Te, si Nico! Kinakalmot ako. Yeah, no, Nico. Ay! Ay! Te, masakit. Ay!
Nasa doktor to siya ng may ear infection eh.
Aray ko. Kinakalmot niya kasi ko, te. Thank you. Natanggal na tuloy yung tsinelas ko. Buti hindi ako napatid dito.
Yeah.
Hey, Miko.
He's always by my side. He got a severe ear infection, darn. I'm giving him medicine and it costs like, just for an initial visit is $400.
Hey,
my
I'm glad to
goodness.
see you.
I don't want
I
it to
just-
be like too hot,
You
you
know,
know.
I just don't want you to feel bad when I get that 100 today.
Strawberries.
Labas muna tayo dito mga ka-abroad.
Yummy.
Tayo matamis yung yung strawberry ng Miles. Vlog muna daw natin yung kanyang mga flowers. Kasi mahilig siya sa flowers mga ka-abroad. So, let's see. Itour ko kayo dito sa kanyang garden. Ala, si Miko! Mine! Ayun oh. Talagang lumalapit siya sa akin eh.
Nasaan siya?
Andun te, magtago.
Kaano lang nila mga over 1 week na. You have to leave her alone. I know you love her, but
You scratch me, Nico. Ayan, pasok na tayo. At mainit sa labas.
summer kasi
Halika, te.
ang init. Oh Lord.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy
tomorrow.
4th of July. Look at me. I just wake up. I've been in the yard every noontime till I'm ready to go to work. So look at me. I'm burnt.
Te, sabi mo, I woke up like this.
I woke up like, oh,
Ay,
no. I have my like hairnet, but hello everyone.
Ay, nag-hi ang ate ko.
Okay,
Mabait
dito na.
ito.
Oh.
Wala
Ikaw
akong
na yung
masabi dyan.
mag-video ng ano ko. Wala ako.
Ha, nakita ka na, te. Pinos ko na lahat.
Dito.
Ayan pa pala, oh. Ang dami niyang alaman, oh. Kaya laging pagod at Lutchie kasi she works hard. And then, ito pa, nagtatanim pa siya after working. Di ba?
Hoy, huwag mo akong talikuran. Huwag kang traitor. Humarap ka. Harapin mo ako. Ha? Ano? Ang masasabi mo? Happy birthday! 246th of America! Ah, wais. You know, ha? Hoy, halika rito. Huwag mo akong tatalikuran, ha? Lumaban ka ng patas. Ito pa, ba't mga nakatalikod kayo sa akin? Ha? Harap!
ito yung mga kalahi ko. Kasi mabagal ako mga ka-abroad. Ayan. Ito yung mga tito ko nakabilong. Pareho ng personality ko. Ito si Turtle. Hi Turtle, my twin. Mabagal kasi ako maglakad. Bakit may frog? Magkadikit. That's nice. And this one. Mga snail. Oh, di ba? Ang cute. Cute. Andito yung mga halaman ni ate. Dami niyang halaman. Ayun pa, mga kabrad, we have pork belly, nasa air fryer. This is a kiss melon, they call it. Ang tamis, sobra. Tatabi niya so she can plant it. Sarap. Tama, te.
Save the seeds. And we'll try to grow next year. It's late right now.
Pakwan mga ka-abroad, matamis di siya. Konti lang hiniwa ko dahil kami lang pala. Tapos na ako maghiwa ng nasisilaw ko sa liwanag ng prutas. Ngayon naman mag-ihaw ako ng tenderloin. Ako pinapaturn on Ate Lutchie ng stove nila, ng grill rather. Sabi ko, wag mo ko asahan dyan, te. Dahil ako, alam mo naman ako, matatakotin ako. May bigla pa sumabog yan. Wala akong kalam-alam dyan. So, mga ka-abroad, ito yung tenderloin. Minarinate na natin Ate Lutchie. Gumamit siya ng fresh na lemon. Tayo sa labas, ihaw. Sausawa na masarap ako. Binigyan na ako ni ate ng grams. Si ate pinatitimpla ko kasi masarap siya magtimpla eh.
Now that then, what? Vinegar and like...
Vinegar at patis. Ha?
Kailangan bang tuyo?
Hindi na tayo nang mag-ihaw. Tikman natin tong watermelon kung masarap.
Dear.
Ang tamis niya.
This you're supposed to like have it. I'm gonna put this back because...
Pinalitan niya ate ng malamig yung aking
Did you want some rice later?
6 grams. Hindi te. Tama na yan. Anong gulay? Anong isda mo? Pinalitan niya ng malamig.
Compre at saka bangus na sinigang.
Okay na yun te. Hindi na ako nag-rice. Bihira lang. Dito natin ilagay sa gilid. Mamaya ko na lulutuin yung hotdog. Kasi madali lang naman niya maluto. Oops. Ba yan? Oops. Mahulog. Sobrang init sa labas mga ka-abroad. Pag lagay ko ng pork loin, pasok agad ako dito. Dito.
Ito yung burger, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Ubusin? Dami.
Ay, dalawa sila. Okay. Tapos isa kay Nico, isa sa iyo, isa sa akin.
Pati si Nico ka. Kasama sa bilang sa hamburger. Sosyal na asa na. Kinakain burger. Ito yung setup ng burger. Nilagyan ko sa harap. Tapos takpan natin. Hindi ko ito iiwanan kasi pwede yung umapoy na nakakatakot. Mine.
Hey, what's up?
Can you put this inside the...
Where, in the house?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I gotta say something to Monica Dry. Scared you.
Nabuang na.
Hey, buddy. Ito yung aking kabady. Kaya lang ini-snap ako. Hoy, halika rito. Ganyan, huwag mo kong tinatalikuran. Tayo ang magkakampi sa lahat ng laban. Kaya, humarap ka.
Pumuna tayo mga kabrot. Ang ganda ng upuan. Malambot to. Ha?
Keeping you busy?
Yeah. I'm just gonna stay here outside because the burger, remember the last time it was...
Yeah.
Okay.
She's going to give me instructions on how to feed the cat and how to feed the dog. I'll see if she wants to stop by for a minute.
Okay, take care driving. See ya. Tim is a very handyman. He knows to fix things. Oh my God, ang dali umuusok na tong ko. Burger. Na natin back. Ayun. Ayun. Nakikita nyo may umuusok-usok dyan.
Careful when you turn it over.
Alin? Wait, what? Ha? Meron te. Kay Brand daw te, asin lang at saka paminta.
Hey, Lorna. Lorna, look. The heck is that? Your burger dance? What the heck? Trying to hypnotize me again? Huh?
I didn't mean to.
You're doing it. Hypnotizing me.
Si Brand na hypnotize sa itsura ng puwet ko eh. Si Kano, binigyan ko ng ano. Tinakot niya agad yung ano. Strawberry. Sour, sweet. That is classic face. Try this one, mine. Kiss melon. Look at me. Sweet, huh?
That's better.
Ito lang kami ng husband ko.
Masarap.
Pag may nag-invite, punta. Pag wala, tahimik sa bahay.
Kain tayo. Eh,
Ganyan
Here.
na ang buhay namin.
take a bite.
Sweet.
Nagustuhan ni Kano ang watermelon.
Masarap, manga kaprad. I told her to buy this one.
Yeah, right.
I did.
Aha.
Hey, my love. What is that?
Hotdog. Jumbo hotdog.
The heck?
Kaya mo ba to?
Wait, do that again. Do it again.
Jumbo hotdog. Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to?
You're hypnotizing me again.
Joke lang yan mga kabrod ah.
She hypnotized me, manga kaprad. I hear and I obey.
Yun, iubay ha.
Uh-huh.
Eventually.
Kano kumain na, nagutom na.
Tayo.
What's that? You get paid of modeling that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, right. Malasa. Ano kayo nilagyan na ate dito?
Masarap, manga kaprad.
Look at the lechon.
We might have another 1 month and a half with this weather, you know. You're gonna be cold today, Lord.
Oh, we'll be good till September.
Parang madilim. Ay, hindi. Yung salamin ko lang pala madilim.
Right here.
Hmm.
You wanna cut? I gonna get our fish, the fish with
Hindi na ba
this.
mainit?
No, it's
Parang
hot.
mainit pa eh.
Yeah.
Tikman
You have
natin.
to cool it off.
Tikman natin yung balante. Balat ba to? Hindi.
Yeah.
Ang laki.
I'm gonna get our fish, okay?
Sarap. Hmm. Ang lutong. Na lechon. Pinapakla namin mga ka-abroad. Mga Amerikano sa labas ng burger. Kami nito ni ate mukbang ng puro meat. Yan. Thank you, te.
Ayaw mong magkanin?
Wag na, te. Thank you. Ikaw, taga sa mag-rice ko lang kita.
No, it's okay.
Meron na rito, te. Ito. Ulo ng ano, te. Ano mga isda to, te? Nakalimutan ko na.
Pompano.
Pompano.
Pork tenderloin.
Oh.
Si ate. Thank you, te. Sa masarap na
Are
chibog.
you ready to sing?
Yes, we do. Sa Lutchie, meron siyang drumstick na vanilla caramel. You know, Ted, this is our first time to eat this. Sabi ko kay Bern, I'm going to try his first.
That's your first time, not mine.
Okay.
Then sabi ni Bern, oh, you don't get any.
Put there.
Grabe talaga to si Kano pagdating sa mga ganito. Can you open mine first?
One eternity later.
Pauwi na kami mga ka-abroad. 8:09 na. 8:09 p.m. And look at that. Still daylight. Diba? Uwi na kami kasi mamaya maraming paputok yan. Abutan pa kami ng paputok sa kalsada. Bye, te! Thank you! Happy port! Next time! Ayan mga ka-abroad, pauwi na po kami.
We gotta get her home so she can edit.
So you can watch this right
So
away.
you can
Today
watch this
is
video of me
huh.
and my wife.
Now is Sunday. Thank you, Lord. Church.
Look at the rabbit right there. Right there, rabbit. See
The
it?
what? The rabbit?
Right there.
Oh yeah. There you go. There's a
It's
rabbit.
got a white butt. Look. See it?
Yeah. Oh, so cute.
That would make some good soup.
My goodness.
Good stew.
Ito makapano na dun. Dala-dala niya yung towel na nilagay ko sa buhok ko kanina. So, ayun, pauwi na Ate
You know I
Lutchie.
gotta have this towel to dry my hair all the time.
Sika na. Ang liwanag mga ka-abroad. You see the sun on my face?
Whose face?
Lahat daw kanya.
Do I make you laugh? Huh? I make you laugh.
Lahat daw kanya.